Hi Bob, this is we're here today to talk about the smart landscaping system, and this is our master brochure on the system itself. And the system itself is designed to take your sprinkler system and use each zone and separate it out so that you have a total control over that zone and what materials you're going to put down. And one of the three basic tenets of what we're trying to do is to save water by making the water go to where it's going to go, and to save on the amount of material that's being used that can be available for runoff, because as opposed to granular materials, the garden IV system is spoon feeding your plants the exact nutrients that the plants are going to need to thrive and survive in the an environment, to be more drought resistant and durable. And so by taking control of your zone, what we're doing is to basically put together the materials that can start. I'm terrible at doing this thing, by the way. So here's this graph I think really tells a lot about what we're trying to accomplish, which is to do more with less. And that's really what sustainability in my mind is about, is using high quality materials, delivering them to the plant in a form that is the most efficient. And so as opposed to a granular material where you would put 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet, we're talking about putting 1 pound per 1,000 square feet of a liquid that is in a form that's really readily available to the plant. It includes lots of other things to help improve the soil conditions, to help improve the microbial activity. But in general, what we're looking at is a lot less material that's being wasted. And liquid materials that are chelated with a proper, in a form that the plants can pick up these nutrients, really means that all of it's getting into the plant. And the plant gets its form of energy to develop a good root system, and none of it's wasted. So that's really the essence of the program is really about fine-tuning your sprinkler system with spray heads that stay where they're supposed to go, turning the system on and off with a weather station that will actually adjust your run times to accommodate what's happening in the weather. And then really the next generation is the garden IV, which is the ability to add the nutrients that your plants need. And so that's what we're doing here, is describing the components of the irrigation system that are going to be upgraded, and really what the chemical, the physical, and the biological needs of the plants are all now being met. Current focuses on water conservation have all been about irrigation efficiency and water efficiency, but plants are living beings, and they need elements, they need nutrition just like living people do.